Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Creative Tips. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to correct your skin in Photoshop. So any further to do, let's get started. Simply open the Photoshop and place your source image like this. By the way, you can download this image, check link in the description. After that, create two copies of this layer. Simply hit Ctrl J in couple of times. Double click on this layer to rename it. That name is low frequency. And again double click on this layer to rename it. That name is high frequency. Hide your high frequency layer and active your low frequency layer. Go to the filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Slowly and gradually increase the radius of your blur until the texture from your skin is removed. Like 5 pixel is pretty good and hit OK. Unhide your high frequency layer and go to the image, apply image. Here you can some changes like change your layer, merge to low frequency and change your blending option multiply to subtract, and scale is 2 and offset is 128 and hit OK. Active your high frequency layer and change your blending option multiply to linear light. So hide your high frequency layer and active your low frequency layer. Select lasso tool, make sure the feather of your lasso tool is set on 15 and create a selection of this part like this. Go to the filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Here is a put 30 pixels of your blur radius and hit OK. Hit Ctrl D to deselect of this selection and again create a selection of this part. Go to the filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Here is a put 30 pixels of your blur radius and hit OK. Hit Ctrl D to deselect like this and click on this icon, unhide of your high frequency layer, and there we go. Here is a big difference. Here is a before and here is after. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.